In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A55 and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Launcher iOS 16 from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, hit Get Started, choose I agree to terms and conditions and tap on Continue twice. Then choose while using the app and then allow in all available pop-ups. Then, after closing an ad, manage all of those options. You can also do that later on. When you finished, hit Set as Default at the top and tap on iOS Launcher to apply it. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you want to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by going back to iOS Launcher app, hitting Set as Default and tapping on your default launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!